Looking for a natural way to strengthen your hair, reduce hair fall, and promote growth? This homemade herbal hair oil is packed with powerful ingredients that deeply nourish your scalp and revive your hair naturally. I'm using coconut oil as the base. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft, keeping it moisturized and strong. Then we have hibiscus flowers, known for boosting hair growth and preventing split ends. Onion helps improve blood circulation and reduces hair fall. Amla or Indian gooseberries strengthens hair follicles and prevents premature graying. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins that fight dandruff and promote thicker hair. I'm also adding clove seeds to improve scalp health and mustard seeds to nourish roots and natural shine. For even more nourishment, I'm using Brahmi powder, which helps reduce stress-related hair loss, and curry leaves packed with antioxidants to prevent hair thinning. Finally, a touch of mehndi powder conditions the hair, leaving it soft, silky, and naturally vibrant. To make the oil, heat the coconut oil on a low flame. Add all the ingredients and let them infuse slowly. Stir occasionally until the oil turns aromatic and rich in color. Once done, let it cool, strain it, and store it in a glass bottle. This herbal oil works wonders. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair roots, prevents dandruff, and promotes faster growth. Use it twice a week. Massage it into your scalp. Leave it for a few hours or overnight and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Say goodbye to hair problems and embrace the power of nature with this homemade herbal hair oil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty remedies.